I was just in the Uber this weekend, and this girl was driving. She was from Russia. She lives in America, but her passion was in fashion. And I just gave her some fashion tips, how to do her marketing thing. She goes, what do you do? So obviously I show her the logo, right? Hey, I'm in Builderall, whatever. But then she goes, what is Builderall? I'm like, well, let me tell you. She opened that door, right? I was waiting. So I gave her a little bit of info where she got super excited. And then she's like, so what do you do? I'm like, well, let me tell you, thanks. So then I did my whole thing, and then we started talking. And one thing, when people come into Builderall, at least for them, the most important is the 24 hours of their life, right? Because they're super excited. They're going through all the dashboards. They're going to all the videos, and their brain is like, my life is going to change. They're already seeing their own vision, why they got in to begin with, either for their home business or their brand. They're super pumped, and they want to reach out to, to us, or, they're top of the line and so forth. And some people, that's why I keep saying it's not official that you have to talk to your downline. But guys, listen, wouldn't it be cool for them to just say a quick hello? Hey, I saw that you're on my dashboard. I just want to say a quick hello. And then I would do at least a 5-minute conversation piece with them and tell them about, look, here's a few options. If you're an affiliate, who you can go after. Drivers in Uber and Lyft works. They hate their job. You think they want to drive people around every single day? No, it takes them 5 drives to make $50, okay? That sucks, okay? Then they got to put their own gas, and then they got to run around, take strangers in their car, and then nobody cares about them. They don't want to be doing that, but they need to. So Builderall is a great opportunity for you to present to these people, right? Independent talents. How many people are out there playing music at a bar? They need money for the road to stay on the road. Why don't you do a little, quick cash on the side with Builderall? Start your own brand, doing your own music thing, and then you're putting out there. Build a website for your band and get your fans to support you via, Builderall page, and give you guys to keep some money on the road for you guys. That's a quick way to do it. Waiters, you think waiters want to wait on you? No, they hate you. They hate going and get your coffee. They hate going and get your food. And in the meantime, they're cursing you off in their mind. Oh, this is so BS. I'm not doing this shit no more, right? They don't want to do it. So here's when you get their check. When you get your check, you give them your business card. Have a Builderall business card there with your URL there. It doesn't have to be Builderall something. Just say, look, Brad McMyer, whatever. And then just say, look, if you're thinking about changing and you want an opportunity, or you want to make money on the side, I think I got a great opportunity for you. Waiters, right? Home moms. Look at your neighbors. Look, like 5 out of like maybe 3 still not online today. And they're staying with home moms, and they're doing the whole thing, and they just maybe looking for something just to get them off the grid, right? And do something really cool on the side. So home moms, cashiers, you go to supermarkets, that cashier does not want to ring up your groceries. He hates that, and they're not paying as much. So why not give an opportunity for Builderall? So cashiers, supermarkets, U.S. Armed Forces. Do you know how many U.S. Armed Forces, the troops are coming into America right now from the war, and they're looking just for something different to clear their mind off the whole BS going on the other side. This is a great opportunity now for them. Go to the Armed Forces on Facebook. Go to the Navy, Air Force, everybody out there, and start putting out your links. Start doing things differently, right? College students, college is coming back right now. You get one super popular kid in college to go off on their campus, with their team, there you go. You start building your team. And it takes one really popular kid to really start talking about Builderall, and you could help that kid do that, teach him the classes, and then he would then, with his brand voice, in his own way, teach his young people to come into Builderall. Entrepreneurs, supermarkets, co-workers, rehab centers. You know how many people, are coming out of rehab, and they just go there to get themselves better and so forth. They're looking for a new way of life. So they go through the whole rehab program. They come out into the market, and now they're looking for a job. This is a great opportunity for a new beginning in life, guys. People just coming out. They're looking for a second chance. Everyone deserves a second chance. LinkedIn, guys. LinkedIn is super hot right now. People just on Facebook, YouTube. LinkedIn is going off. The conversation is great. Why? Because listen, guys, from 9 to 5, everyone is on LinkedIn. And then at nighttime, everyone's on Facebook. All right. If you want to get people, especially the corporate people that are actually, they're looking for a second thing to do on the side, LinkedIn, because most corporate offices allow them to be on LinkedIn and they block Facebook. A lot of people don't know that. Okay. What else? Business owners, housewife, bartenders. When you guys go out there for the weekend, right? Guys, talk to your bartender. They're like therapists in a way, right? You get there, you order your drink, and they got to listen to your BS the whole time while they're serving you drinks. And so a great way to say, look, what do you do? By the way, I do Builderall. Listen, let me tell you, guys, if you don't want to work this whole night shift, why don't you do it in the morning time? Because you work at night. Have you ever thought about maybe starting your own business? Here's an opportunity. Here's my card. Leave it at that. Guys, McDonald's, Burger King. Next time you go to McDonald's drive-thru, once again, do you think that girl or guy wants to be like, would you like a fries with that? No, they do. All right. This is a great opportunity for them to give Builderall. Give Builderall. It's the gift that keeps building. Like, it's the gift that keeps giving, right?